Good morning, boys and girls. All right, I think I said something about going on a night ride last night. We went on a night ride and then I forgot to record the rest. We kind of just chilled. It wasn't like crazy, but there is this wild Pro R that's boosted that was just yanking up the hill. Anyways, it's Saturday, Memorial Day weekend. A few of us are gonna go out for a little ride. The bowls were great yesterday. St. Anthony's changed a lot since last year, so if you come up here a bunch and you haven't came up yet this year, it's definitely interesting. There's not a lot of transitions, not a lot of razorbacks the way there usually is, but I'm sure the wind, once the snow is, or all that snow is gone now, so I'm sure the wind and everything will shape them back up nicely. So we're putting some gas in the cars and we're gonna go out for a rip. So we made it up here. Went did a little bowling, didn't really record much to start with. We're in the mids right now. We've got a victim. He's dead, y'all. This is why you don't stay up.
Sand over the top of me. I'm done.
We're about to bury Troy in the sand. He drank a little too many apple juices last night. And what do we know, boys and girls, about drinking too much apple juice? That's what happens. Car's got a little hot. Well, not really mine. Mine's leaking a little oil out of the valve cover, I think. So I'm gonna put a new gasket on it. Willie's has got a little hot. Jimbo, what's your thoughts?
Beautiful weekend.
There we go.
I'm ready to rip.
There we go.
Once we cool off.
Once we cool off. Yeah, we're gonna just let the machine sit for a second. We're gonna enjoy this beautiful view and just kind of hang out. Don't let him fool you guys. He's definitely not alive. That's what do you call it? Rigor mortis? Whatever. Y'all know what the word is. And that's what's going on right now. Okay, guys. So we went and got ice cream. You're probably like, damn, I still haven't seen any riding. Well, it's happening now. I keep forgetting to press record, except for when I'm talking. But we got Whiskey Throttle crew, UTV Posse crew, all of the other homies. We're gonna go out and we're gonna do a big rip. So now I'm gonna record and you guys are gonna have some fun with us. So let's go. That was fun, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed that little rip. Looks like I'm almost out of battery on this one, but not to worry. We still got more GoPros. She's full. She's full, ladies and gentlemen. We got a new battery. We're here at Choke Cherry. We got Kelsey. Say hi. She was a girl screaming profanities at the camera all day yesterday, but guess what, guys? We got the beat button because we're a family-friendly channel. We landed up at Choke and had a blast. We're gonna go somewhere to avoid the rain, because right now, the rain's not looking very friendly, but that's okay. It's not gonna stop us from riding, so well, let's keep going. Talking about how long his first belt lasted, 3,800 miles. I'm like, that's because you don't ride the dudes. And he just keeps shooting up Devil's Dune. So I don't know how much more life that belt may have in it. How's the Pro R running?
Fantastic. I need paddles though, so
nice.
It's fun though.
How's your co-rider? Kelsey, you okay?
Yeah.
Lots of enthusiasm, ladies and gentlemen. So we're here at Devil's Dune. We've basically been running from the storm for this entire time. There's rain that way. There's rain that way. There's kind of bright light. There's kind of bright light that way. I think we're gonna get wet. I don't know. Or we could just stay here and wait it out and hopefully it just kind of passes us, but that's what we're doing. Met up with a couple other friends that I know, just ran into them by happenstance. Got the homies over here sitting down, taking a break. Trent, how you feeling right now?
Good. Fantastic.
Fantastic. Clint, you're always a man of wise words. Any wise words?
Hold her open.
Hold her open. J-Mom, how you feeling?
Good.
Katie Bug?
Always good.
Kelsey? We already know how Kelsey's feeling. J-Mom, that's the girl. I know what you're thinking. Isn't that her? That's her. That's the one that... Inspiration to all the 2, 3, 5-year-old girls out there and also women as well. And Troy. Are you afraid of any rain? No?
Lightning, yes.
Yeah, I'd rather not. Could you imagine jumping the bike like, whoo, and next thing you know, lightning's like, because you're not grounded. Oh my God.
That'd be quite
That would be terrible. It would be cool footage though. That would be cool. Yeah, it's like, we're here to provide great content for you guys. That's right. We're going to try to get struck by a lightning bolt on the way back. Jimbo, at first I thought y'all were just hanging out. It took you about a good solid hour to change that belt.
Can't get that new tool in there before.
So we need to pull your secondary apart then and just clean it. It's probably just sand in between the pucks. It's not too bad. We'll just pull it off real quick.
Right now I got a used belt. It has been smoked before, so I don't know how long it'll last.
I thought you bought 2 new belts.
Couldn't get them on. I don't know if the used belt was stretched a little bit more. I don't know.
Huh.
But it was still a fight.
Well, he's okay though, guys. That's all that matters. All right, our homies on the bikes are going back. They're running low on gas, and they're trying to dodge the rain too. Okay, we got caught in a rainstorm, obviously. Did you see that lightning, guys? It's raining. Baby girl, it's raining. Good news is we made it safe. We didn't get struck by lightning. No, we don't like to ride when it's lightning. It was sunny when we left, but that's St. Anthony's Memorial Day for you. Get a little rain, but everybody's back safe and sound, so good. Let's see what's happening at camp. Did you have fun?
Hell yeah.
All right, everybody's safe and sound? Everybody's safe and sound, it looks like. There, oh. It's the innocent schoolgirl. Looks like we got some tacos in here. Old Tigosaurus Rex and Heterosaurus Rex made. Damn! We got beans. We got cilantro, limes, tomatoes, onions, cheese, lettuce. I don't like lettuce. But thank you, Heather. Did you make all this by yourself?
No, Tig help.
Good to see Tig's doing something. We're gonna eat a little food really quick. Thank y'all. We got tacos. Now we're gonna go get some bean dip from that Mama T made. It's delicious. Oh, that's adorable, and I caught it on camera. All right, guys, Sketchy Greg came, man. Look at that. The infamous, the renowned, the one and only.
The fresh kid.
The homie Greg came through. We're gonna go do some jumping and shoot some fire. Yeah, so UTV takeover, Oregon Coos Bay. This guy's gonna be out there just ripping stuff. We're gonna be out there recording stuff. Troy's gonna be out there shooting fire. The Whiskey Throttle crew's gonna be out there racing. We got a lot of the takeover crew here with us right now in St. Anthony's. It's our annual memorial trip, and we're just getting pumped up and getting ready to go out and show you guys a fun time. It's clearly wet, but I know, that's what I was telling the camera. I was like, it's beautiful. It's clearly wet. The sun is shining that way. There's a storm that way. Check out that rainbow, guys. Rainbows are good, man. But we're going to find Sketchy Greg. We kind of lost in the midst of the chaos. It started pouring down rain. Everybody was like, ah, everywhere. So we're gonna go find Greg real quick. Try not to get too sick for long. It's a double rainbow. Ah! We got professional known cinder, sketchy Greg. This is how hard we go for you guys to show y'all stuff. We're wet. Are you wet? Are you wet? Are you wet? Who's wet here?
Yeah, we're good. You are.
If Troy can ever get his fire lit up, he's gonna blow some fire on. It's gonna be pretty rad.
Clothes on, preferably some clean stuff because I'm like a week into just this. Like, I feel gross. They have showers over there, don't they?
Yeah, it's $4 a quarter, so.
Okay, I might bring some quarters over. I love you all. Thank you all. I'll see you soon.
All right. See you, brother. All right, just had a blast with Greg. We're gonna go to the staircase, watch the little sunset, and just enjoy the view. It's really pretty right now. I wish you guys could experience this in person. Some of you who are watching this may actually be here and are experiencing this. So let's go up to the top of the staircase. Fan of the staircase, man. I'm gonna show you why. You can see all of St. Anthony's pretty much from the staircase, except for like the very edges, but it's definitely a really pretty place to be. You should totally come up here if you haven't. It's an easy drive. It's not hard to get here, so cool. We're gonna chill this. I'm wrapped in a blanket because it's cold. We're headed back, guys. All right, guys. I really appreciate y'all following along with our adventure for this weekend. I miss my wife a ton. Krista's my best friend, and she is also my better half, and we really appreciate you guys following along with us through all our adventures, whether it be sand, rocks, and anywhere in between. We really appreciate y'all just watching our videos. We'd appreciate a ton if you would give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Like if there's something we can do to improve ourselves, we'd really appreciate you just telling us. And I get it, all ideas are good ideas. You know, sometimes they don't work, sometimes they do, but we just want to say thank you for giving us a chance and watching our video. If you made it to the end, that means you watched the whole video, which is awesome. So takeover's coming soon. We got one more ride left, but we can't wait to see you guys at Takeover. If you see us out there, please come say hi to us. We're super friendly people. We have no, we're not just mean people or anything like that, like some of the YouTubers out there. Some of them are super sweet too, and they become good friends. But thank you so much for watching us, and we're gonna go on a good rip tomorrow. That'll be a next video. Until then, we'll see ya. Bye. If you're wondering about our maturity level, yes, we did just draw a, yeah, on choke.